but do you know how much it costs to cam the Hemi? Let's go. What's going on YouTube? I am back with another video, and we are here talking about the cost to cam your Hemi. That is your 5.7, 6.4, and then 6.2 liter Mopar vehicles, Challengers, Chargers, Trackhawks, Jeeps, SRT, whatever. If it's got a Hemi, this is how much it costs to cam your Hemi motor. Now, I will go ahead and tell you, this is my actual breakdown. Hopefully you guys are gonna be able to see that. You see my name right there, Mass Acceleration. This is my second most asked question in YouTube comments and in my Instagram DMs from my 1320. So we're gonna go over how much it costs. I'll talk about horsepower, and I'll talk about a little bit of the pluses and minuses of a cam for your Hemi, especially now that my CTSV or my LT4 is cammed by BTR. Shout out to Brian Tooley Racing, they sponsored that cam. But the cam we're gonna be actually talking about is a HRT Stage 2 222 300 cam with the install. Is around total $8,400. Now that price may have gone up, shops have gone up in labor, parts have gotten more expensive since then. We're talking 2020, 6 years ago. Crazy to even think that I had that 1320 or started out in that 1320 6 years ago. So I'm gonna list off a few things with some prices, and then I'm gonna talk about a few things as well. So one, the actual HRT cam for the 6.4 is only $493. A lot of people see that price and are like, well, that's all I need. I just need to stick the cam in the car, get a tune, and I'm done. No, there is so much more to a cam, and to do it correctly. There is a valve spring kit. There is a cam phaser limiter. There's all types of engine coolant, brake-in oil, lifters, cylinder head bolts, gaskets. I learned about those gaskets the other day. Crankshift seals, oil pumps, timing chain guides, little small aspects, phaser and sprockets, camshaft plate or thrust plate, cam gear, phaser bolts, engine oil pan gasket, oil pumps, dampener bolts, learned about that too. And then of course the actual labor that goes into installing the camshaft. Now, you guys can see, there's my address. This is a long list of items. I'm not gonna lie. There's a lot that goes into a cam, whether it's the oil, whether it's a bolt, whether it's a timing chain, whether it's a valve spring. Mass Acceleration does a cam the right way. They do it the right way. That's why it's a little bit more expensive than other shops, and camming a Mopar is a little bit more expensive than an LS. I've seen people throw LS's and throw a cam in it for $2,000 to $3,000, right? But some of them do it in their driveway. Don't kill me in the comments. The biggest thing is heads cam package that they do. They do the lifters, they do the valve springs, and they do your heads when they do your cam for your Hemi. It's the safest way to do it. It's the easiest way to add more power. Safer, they can get more aggressive on a tune. So whenever you go to Mass Acceleration, I 100% suggest doing the heads and cam. Do a heads cam package. Go ahead, push rods, valve springs, all of that good stuff. Don't cheap out, because I promise you, once they crack open the motor, you're not gonna wanna crack it open again because something blew or there was a problem. Open it up one time, do it the right way, and close it back up. You'll never have to worry about it again, even if you want to go higher horsepower numbers. Trust me. Overall, the actual labor for this is $3,000. So do they spend 30 hours, etc.? They probably spend more, but you're talking about a dyno tune, you're talking about breaking down the car, you're talking about putting it back together, all the torque spec. It's a lot. You're literally taking the motor apart. So to me, that's actually not a bad deal as far as the actual installation. I did mention tuning. You have to tune for power, for drivability, cold and warm startup, and of course, the ever so famous chop at idle. I learned something, again, I'm getting my LT4, or my LT4 CTSV is cammed. So I learned that some of the rhythmic chop, or the rap that you hear, yes, it is based on the custom grind and the loads and so forth, but some of it also with the rhythm has to do with the tune. And John does a really, really good job with the Mopars. He just did a Dodge Demon Stage 3 camshaft with a crazy tune, and it sounded insane. But I want you guys to realize that tune is $1,400. So just with the installation and the tune, we're already at $4,500. Right? So we're halfway there. So half of the actual money is just the installation and making it drivable. That's how important doing a camshaft is the right way. It's just that simple. But again, you have so many parts that go into this, which equal out to be that $8,400. And I will go ahead and show you guys. There's a lot of parts to this, man. A lot. Even comes with a second sheet. That just shows some minor things. But $8,400. Is it worth it? Let's talk about the horsepower. I've seen Hemis gain 60 to 100 wheel horsepower with a cam. I've seen a little bit more based on if you're boosted in a 6.2 Hellcat. 5.7, 6.4 at that 60 to 100 range. Boosted just because of being able to throw a little bit more fuel in E85 at the lobes with the boost. And obviously E85 helps more, with the boosted car. But overall, the cam in itself, $8,400 for 60 to 100 wheel. Some people are like, oh, that's way too expensive. But for me, the cam is all about the sound. The cam turns your head to these cars. You can't tell me that you don't go to a meeting. If you hear a cam car, you're not turning your head to look or record. It's just what it is. I'm gonna be totally honest. For me, a cam is about the sound more than the performance. The cam is gonna help you top end, and you may lose some bottom end depending on the style of cam or the load that you run. So drag racing, sometimes a very aggressive cam isn't gonna help you much. But again, the sound. A lot of people go for the sound. So for me, $8,400 for this specific cam and my 1320. This is what also helped build to the next stage of the Scat Pack. If you didn't watch my last video, I went stage 1, showed you how I beat Hellcats. This helped keep my motor healthy and or turn heads and maybe go a little bit quicker in my 1320. So, watch my previous video. That's how much it costs to cam a Hemi. If you got more questions, I will send you this sheet. Email me, whatever you gotta do. Other than that, we're out.